What's good, nice gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure that thumbs up, subscribe button, be a part of this gang, because that's the gang, we're the gang of all gangs. I know I'm back and better than ever. Today I am pulling up at AFL Beauty, and if you guys have been subscribed to my beauty channel for a while, you know that I go there to get all my beauty needs. It's a one-stop shop, and it's literally been months because of COVID-19 ruining everything, of course. So I literally have to go back. I had some, what is it called? It's called slimming shots in my cheeks, and it, like, you know what I'm saying, it gives you a contour without the actual contour, but you have to like keep up with it. So like they're like, you keep getting it once and then you keep missing months, so it's really not doing anything. You have to follow up with it. So I'm gonna get it again, and hopefully I can catch them next month too, so I can start the process. Your girl's cheeks is like really thick, you know what I'm saying? Nothing wrong with my big cheek girls, I just don't like it on me, you feel me? My appointment's at 1:50 and I'm not gonna arrive till 1:55, not including parking. So hopefully I can find the place with no problem, because it's usually a struggle to try to find where I need to go. I'm vlogging it on TikTok, so if you don't have me on TikTok, you need to go over there, sis, because like, what? Are you kidding me? It's lit over there. Okay, boom, just pulled up. This is a new spot. It's called Luxury Medical Spa, and I'm about to go inside. When I get older, you won't even be able to tell.
That's it. So the rest you don't really need numbing. Okay. And then one day we should do your cheeks. One day.
She keeps trying to convince me, and I'm scared because I feel like I already got big cheeks.
No, you don't.
You don't think so?
Flat. It's so
maybe that's why I'm not.
Flat.
Maybe I'm
There's
not.
no projection here. You see what I'm saying? Flat. Teeny bit. Like one syringe divided by 2. You're scared?
No, yeah, cause like I'm like, what if it makes a huge difference? You know what I mean? It's not.
No.
Let's do it.
I think so. If you really want a cute look, very mild, like literally from here to here. I'm not even gonna go in this department, just to make
and then
it
when
chisel.
the slim shots come into place, it's gonna look even better.
You know it.
That was my only thing. I was just afraid that it was gonna make my face look even bigger.
No. It's very, very narrow and long, so it'll give it more of a chisel look.
That's what I need. Botox first. It just feels like cold water and like a small pinch. That wasn't bad. Period.
That's my baby.
Thank you.
She was my day one.
Period.
She was my day one from what, over a year ago?
Yeah, literally. A little bit more than a year.
Yeah, it's my day one.
We couldn't film the filler part at this place, but they put some in my jaw to make it like, you can see it's like a bump there, but that's because it's swollen. They put a little bit in my cheek, which I was like, really, thank you. They put a little bit in my cheek, which I was scared about, but like the injector's cheek looked amazing, so I was like, I trust you. And then you see these bags. I didn't even know that I had like actual bags. I thought it was just, I thought like dark circles and bags were like completely two different things, which they are, because like, let's not get started on that. Regardless, I know I'm beautiful with or without any enhancements, but enhancements are meant to enhance you, you know what I'm saying? Like just like makeup and lashes and all that stuff. If you never tried it, you can't talk about it. And I think we're about to do TikToks, but I'm not sure. I might have to catch her later because we're supposed to be grilling at the house and we got company coming over and stuff, so she's busy. We'll see. Okay, boom, so I'm sitting here editing, and I just realized that the girl who I gave the camera to ended up putting her finger over the microphone, so that's why you can't hear, but this is the CEO of AFL Beauty.
And the one and only Vanessa Lynn told us for some beauty treatment, period. AFL, ACL, every week we're here so you can get your treatment. If you guys want to know what she did, she's going to post a video. So stay tuned.
Okay, so I'm back home. This is a close-up. Right here, it's like hard to the touch. It feels like rocks. It's weird. Feels like something foreign, but I feel like you can already see the illusion of my cheeks lifted. They're hard, so they have to relax. It's gonna take a couple days for them to relax. So I'm gonna show you guys in a few days, probably in another vlog. Okay, so it's 3 weeks later and I have zero makeup on. Just threw on some lashes and I forgot, well, I bought my camera, but I forgot to put the freaking camera card back inside the freaking camera I was editing earlier. Shaking my head. So wait, let me see, let me double check. No, I found it. Okay, we're transferring to the camera. Okay, cool, we're back. So I need to find a TikTok sound because I want to do some TikToks, because today I am getting the ab sculpt thingy-majiggy and I don't know how this is gonna feel. I asked her if it hurt, but of course she's gonna say no. Like, it feels like your slim shots, but the slim shots hurt. So I don't know if I'm nervous or whatever, but I got bubble goods, TMI, I know. I'm gonna holler at you in a second. Okay, boom, so this is where I'm going, but y'all already saw that, but we back at it again. Oh, you're on the vlog. What's up?
The baddest beta, the baddest bitch is checking in. Tap, tap, tap in.
I'm also taking TikTok. You guys already know the drill.
Period. So basically, we don't need to numb for this, but I'm going to because why feel anything at all? Yeah, so even though, oops, almost broke the bomb. Even though you got a BBL, a lot of clients of mine that have BBL or, you know, have gotten the surgery, sometimes it's not completely defined, or sometimes they have little fat pockets like the potholes, so they come to us and they get these slim shots, and you know how well they work. So just as amazing as they work on the face, they can work on the body. And also because there was just a little bit of extra that they missed here on the side, we're gonna hit that for you and it's gonna take it in even more.
Yes,
so you're gonna be double snatch, sis. Fat cells, don't call me, lose my number. Yeah.
Fat cells, who's this?
Call me, yeah, who this? Who's my number? And you guys will see that basically the injection burns the fat cell, and it just like burns it, like, you know how they have cool sculpting that freezes it and you pee it out after 3 months. This injection goes instantly and you see your results up to 2 weeks. But again, you have to drink lots of water and your body flushes it out. However, you also should stay away from sodium, like salty foods. You know that there's salt in everything, but try to stay away from like the soy sauce when you get sushi, because that's all sodium. Or when you get chicken, get grilled instead of fried. Just because, think about it, if your body's trying to flush it out by drinking water, if you get salty foods, your body's gonna think it's dehydrated, holding on to the water, holding on to the fat cell. So you'll see full results if you drink water and you stay away from sodium just for the first week. Yeah, for the first week and a half tubes. I could do this for you as many times, but I want you to see the best results in less amount of pricking.
Yes,
let that sit for 5-10 minutes and then you're good to go.
Okay. Boom! I'm here. Okay. So do we do it just in the front or do we do it in the back too?
Let me see. Back meaning where?
I don't know. She told me something about like my chichos was gonna be erased or something. I don't know.
Chicho.
It doesn't make it any better that these like are like those pushy ones, so they're just moving all of my fat everywhere.
Right. So what we'll do. So let me see what the back she's talking about is. She's talking about these guys, huh?
Yes, I don't understand why the doctor didn't take that out. Or I don't know if it like healed swollen.
Okay, we'll start with the back then. So 1, 2, 3. I feel like some of this shit is skin.
Really?
Yeah. A little bit of fat.
This is intense.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm glad I got the numbing cream because I could only imagine what it would feel like without it. I was so focused on the pain and filming for my Instagram page that I didn't realize that I wasn't in the camera, but if you go to my Instagram, you'll see better footage and a better angle of what she's doing.
I go always at that speed.
Really?
Because if I wait, it's worse. You gotta go at it. If you wait, it starts burning and you're like, I can't handle it anymore, stop. People
That makes
go on
sense.
one side and they're like, I can't forget.
Really? I finally drove to my house, a 30-minute drive. And yeah, I am so sore. Like I was like Ooh, like my back is stinging, my stomach is stinging, I'm sore. I don't remember being like this when I had the Slim Shots in my contour area. So this is interesting. Like she said, it all depends on me if I drink a lot of water and if I'm eating salt and stuff. So we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see. Y'all seen what it looked like before. I'm gonna wait. She said it can take up to 2 weeks, so I'm gonna wait until I feel like I could see results, and then I'm gonna update y'all. Okay, this is a couple days later. I've been avoiding a bunch of salt. Like she said, it's hard to avoid salt completely, but they didn't hit the sides, which I will the next time. But you can see like a line. I've always had like a slight line. I've always had this line for sure, but I can't wait for the other ones to show up. I'll update y'all on my Instagram. But I just wanted to, ooh, this cleared up a lot. This used to be like super thick right here. Obviously it's still there, but it's only been a couple days. But honestly, like a few hours after I got home, I saw a big difference right here. Like I had shorts on and it was like a huge little dip right there. But yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm always satisfied because I follow directions. Y'all need to follow directions. But thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. See you all. I love y'all and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.